Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you?
Walaikum salam.
Could you please briefly introduce yourself in the beginning?
My name is Ram Raja. I'm from Gujarat, and I did my matriculation from Soji Foundation Hotel School, and then I did my intermediate from Punjab College of Commerce, and then I did my ACCA from SCANS Islamabad.
Interesting. Coming to your business, sir, why do you have multiple gadget system over here?
First of all, I like to say that this was a unique idea. When I made this gaming zone, I am confident to say that there was no gaming zone like this in whole country, or at least in Punjab level. It was my idea to bring a new type of business, new type of gaming environment in Gujarat. Then I realized that there is a space in our city, that we have enough games, that we can commercialize the game, and we can provide a good playing environment for people. And while our man aim was to provide an environment where a parent can play with his son.
Interesting. So, I see a lot of esports happening in the premises. What are the benefits of esports?
Unfortunately, in our country, everyone, it's a assumption, or it's a prediction, a perception, unfortunately, that it's a harmful thing, and it's will endanger your future, especially esports. Parents not allow their children to play esports, although it's a big industry. This industry is bigger than Hollywood. It's a $90 billion industry, and in Pakistan, its growth rate is more than 20%. So you can take it as a profession as well. You can earn a lot online gaming. Nowadays PUBG is very famous. International streamers and national level streamers can earn a lot of money.
Great. Sir, coming to snooker, because it is being taken care on a very major level within your premises. I want to ask a few questions regarding snooker.
Sure.
So how can I put backspin on the ball?
It's a bit advanced level question, but I will tell you how to backspin. The ball has more than one areas on which you can hit the ball. If you hit ball above cue ball, I'm asking about cue ball. If you hit the cue ball at is above level, it will go far away from you. But if you hit in low side of ball, at low side, the ball will come back to you.
Okay. So how should I choose a cue?
The cue must have some specifications, in which the main thing is your cue have to be straight. Your cue should be straight. You can check the cue by laying it on the table and rounding it on the table. If the cue is not straight, you can realize easily. Secondly, there are some brands. Imported cues are very good. If you go for imported cue, it's a bit costly, but you can get a good cue in reasonable rates as well.
Okay, I have got a cue now. How do I take care of it?
Cue box is very important. When after you have completed your game, you have to put your cue in your cue box. Cue box is very important. A cue stand is you can also use cue stand for your cue.
Sir, how much room do I need for a table?
The actual table size is 12 by 6, 12 feet into 6 feet. So we also need some cue space. So 5 feet every side. You have to take this care. You have to almost add. You can add 12 feet plus 10 feet, 22 into 16 feet. this is the ideal space for snooker table.
Great. By the way, where can I buy or sell a billiard thingy or anything related to billiard?
There are some markets in Rawalpindi, Islamabad, so you can go and you can buy or sell easily this type of game.
Okay, I just forgot one question regarding cue. What are the different hardnesses of cue tips?
There are some 2 or 3 types of cue tips. Some are a bit cheaper. They are hard. So when you normally play with hard tip, there is a chance that your cue will slip and will make a foul. But if you go for good tips, some tips are made up of leather. They are good. They are a bit soft. They will hit the ball accurately.
Right. I think this question is related to esports. Where can I play virtual pool on the internet?
There are some online websites. You have nowadays PUBG and Call of Duty, Dota. Multiple games are available online. But you are asking about pool. 8-ball pool is very famous. You can play 8-ball pool on Facebook.
Sir, it can be a technical question. What is a dominant eye?
Dominant eye is the eye from which you focus your cue ball, or when you playing snooker, this will be your stance. Okay? You have to look on your cue ball and your targeted ball with one eye. Some people target them with their right eye. Some target them with left eye. The eye which you use for hitting the ball or watching accurate angle, then you have to use your dominant eye.
Right. Coming to the management of your business, what is the good table maintenance?
There are some steps. If you follow these steps, your table will last long. First of all, you have to put a cover on a table. If you are not using your table, you have to put a cover on table. Secondly, you have to brush your table regularly, iron it. If you take these measures, your table will last long.
I see many players using a chalk while they are playing the billiard. What snooker chalk do professionals use according to you?
There are some chalks. Professional, the master chalk is very good. Players use master chalk, but there are some copies of master chalk in our market as well. But chalk, the main purpose of chalk is to provide some friction. The good chalk you use, the greater will be the friction.
Right. So the purpose is the friction has to be added. Okay. So why the snooker chalk is blue sometimes you see?
This is a good question. Why is blue? I think I might be wrong or right. I don't know, but the color is blue because mostly the snooker tables have green cloth. So if the chalk is in white or red, it will make a dirt on snooker cloth. So its color is blue. That the table cloth will remain clean.
Great. So for somebody mistakenly tastes the chalk, is it poisonous?
No, it's not poisonous, but I will not recommend that you can eat it or you can taste it. It's not like that. It's a chalk, just like the chalk you use in boards, in your schools, yes, in your boards. It's or it's an advanced level of chalk.
It's a very economic question. How much does it cost to buy a chalk from a market?
The price varies from 10 rupees to 500 rupees. Depends on the quality of chalk.
Salman, thank you so much for your time. It's been a pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you very much, sir. Most welcome.
Thank you, sir.